Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
I have the world's longest Santa hat and you don't. Haha. Anyway, it's time to open a beer. So let's hear. I was grabbing the glass. I was so eager, but no, I need the beer first. Here's number 9. There's 10. Now we need 11. Where is it? I need to follow the path here. All the way over there. Oh no, it's a tricky one. But you know what? I'm not even gonna pretend that I need to follow it, because the ones who have been following this little calendar opening know that I accidentally opened 11 a couple of days ago. So, ta-da! Sneaky bastard, that's me. So whatever it is, it goes with aged cheese. Fromage affiné. Okay, my French is probably the worst thing about all of this. Hirond'Ale? I have no idea what this is. Okay, enough guessing, enough looking. We need to taste it as well. Okay, first we need to look at it. Ooh, it's foaming. So, can you see anything except the foam? Yes, you can. So it's another cloudy one. Look, I've learned a word. I'm learning something from this calendar. Cloudy and a bit light. And sour. I'm not sure what to say. It's better than the other sour beer. This is drinkable, but not a favorite, not a fan. I'm gonna offer this to someone else. Cheers.
Tack.
Maybe I should keep it up, keep it running.